looking at the family of Paramount canvases that we've got here at Jerry's Artarama, we've got two different types now. We've got the Paramount Premium Quality Canvas, and we've got the Professional Paramount Gallery Wrapped Canvas. Same great quality within the Paramount family, but we've got a couple different differences that we want to let you know about so you can help kind of make a better educated buying decision. The Paramount, it comes with the thinner stretchers. That's going to be the 11/16 inch deep. It's triple primed, and it's got a triple prime weight of 12 ounces. It's still got kind of that great Paramount texture of the canvas that everybody's kind of come to expect. It's back stapled, so if you ever need to restretch it, you've got that excess of canvas to be able to kind of pull that around the edge. Great pine frames that can be keyed if you need to tighten it at all. And it's got that gallery wrapped edge that gives you a frameless presentation so that if you don't want to actually frame it, or if you want to put it in something like a floater frame, it'll have that nice clean edge that you can paint that looks really exceptional. Then we've got the Professional Paramount Gallery Wrapped Artist Canvas. You're going to that much deeper depth of 1 13/16 of an inch. It's 15 ounces primed weight. This is 12, this is 15. What does that mean? Now, what that really boils down to, 12 ounces is still a pretty kind of sturdy cotton canvas. 15 ounces is going to give you the ability to really kind of slather on painting mediums. If you paint impasto, if you do mixed media where you're actually adhering things to the canvas, this is going to give you that weight and heft that's not going to cause kind of the cotton on your canvas to go slack or give you issues with buckling, because it's going to be kind of thicker and tighter and has the stretchers to actually bear that extra weight. It's got the same great acrylic priming on it, but as you can see in these stretchers here, it's got this really cool L shape. What that does is it gives you kind of a tighter interlocking mechanism here in the corners where it's not going to have the propensity to warp and bow and twist that can happen when you're putting heavier media on a canvas. It's very rigid and sturdy. It's got nice bounce. I mean, you can hear that. That is music to an artist's ears, to a painter's ears. It can be keyed if need be, but in all of the times that I've painted on these, I have never had to key them. In fact, usually the keys just get thrown away because there's never been the opportunity where I've had to say, actually tighten those. It is back wrapped so that if you do ever need to restretch it, you can. But it can take lots of, weight if you're using like sand medium, if you're using glass bead gel, if you're using any of the acrylic paste. If you're wanting to use painting butter, like an alkyd medium in your oils, where you're going to be putting a lot of layers on a lot of weight on a canvas, this is going to be the canvas for you. So we've kind of got you figured out. If you're needing things where you're not going to be putting a lot of weight on, you're going to maybe be doing some nice portraits, you want to actually frame them in most traditional frames, we've got the regular Paramount canvas for you. Otherwise, you can upgrade to kind of that super heft and beefiness for a lot freer, looser, more modern painting. The Paramount family of canvases, whichever decision you make, whichever canvas you go with, you're going to really enjoy it.